We live in a world where being busy is worn like a badge of honor. But somewhere between the chaos and the commitments, I realized something. I wasn't thriving. I was just getting by. Tired, sluggish, foggy-minded. And honestly, that became my norm for far too long. Until I decided that being healthy didn't mean following extremes. It meant creating small daily habits I could actually stick to. Today, I want to share the 5 healthy habits that keep me balanced, focused, and full of energy, without burning out or giving up my life to do it. These aren't quick fixes. They're simple shifts that changed everything. 1. I start my day before the world wakes up. No, I'm not part of the 5 a.m. club every single day, but I do start my mornings on my own terms. Even 30 quiet minutes before emails, notifications, and responsibilities hit, it's game-changing. This is my time to hydrate, stretch, breathe, and check in with myself. No doom scrolling, no rushing. Just a calm, centered start that sets the tone for the entire day. I drink a full glass of water first thing. Why? Because sleep is dehydrating. Your brain literally functions better after rehydration. And before I even think about coffee, I move my body gently. Whether it's a walk, yoga, or just 5 minutes of deep stretching, it gets my blood flowing and shakes off the grogginess. It's not a perfect routine, it's a consistent one, and that's why it works. 2. I eat for energy, not just to eat. I used to run on caffeine, sugar, and carbs, until I realized I was crashing hard by 2 p.m. every single day. Now I eat to fuel my mind and body, not just to fill my stomach. I keep it simple. A protein-rich breakfast, whole foods over processed ones. Greens with every lunch, healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil. I avoid anything that makes me feel sluggish, no more food comas, and I listen to how my body reacts. Because no trendy diet knows your body better than you do. Energy isn't just about how much you eat. It's about what you eat and how consistently you fuel your body throughout the day. 3. I honor rest like it's a non-negotiable. Here's the truth no one talks about. Burnout doesn't always look like collapsing. Sometimes it looks like feeling off for weeks and not knowing why. Rest used to feel like laziness to me. Now I see it as productivity's secret weapon. I aim for quality sleep, 7 to 8 hours minimum. No screens an hour before bed. No late night scrolling that fries my nervous system. I also take mini rest breaks throughout my day. A 10-minute walk, breathing breaks between meetings, moments of stillness that recharge me in real time. Rest is where healing happens, physically, mentally, emotionally. And it's not optional, it's essential. 4. I move daily, but I don't punish myself with exercise. I stopped working out to look a certain way. I started moving to feel a certain way. And the shift changed everything. I walk more. I lift weights 2 or 3 times a week. Sometimes it's dancing in the kitchen or chasing my dog around the park. The key? I move with joy, not guilt. If I miss a workout, I don't spiral. I trust my body, I stay consistent, I focus on the long game. Movement clears my head. It regulates my mood. It reminds me that this body, it's a gift, not a project to constantly fix. 5. I protect my mind like I protect my body. Physical health means nothing without mental clarity. So I treat my mind with the same care I give my meals and workouts. Every day I check in with my thoughts. Am I being kind to myself? Or am I running on old fears and criticism? I limit noise. That means setting boundaries with social media, the news, and even certain people. Instead, I fill my space with what uplifts me, podcasts that inspire me, conversations that nourish me, books that challenge me to grow. I journal. I sit in silence. And most importantly, I remind myself that peace is something I can create, not just wait for. Mental health isn't something I think about once a year. It's a daily practice, and it's what keeps everything else in alignment. You don't need a 20-step routine. You don't need fancy supplements or extreme diets. And you definitely don't need to earn your health by suffering through it. What you need are habits that meet you where you are. Habits that energize you instead of draining you. Habits that stick because they're built on self-respect, not self-restriction. These 5 habits aren't flashy, but they work. They bring me back to center. They keep me steady even on the hard days. And they remind me that being healthy isn't about being perfect, it's about being present in your own life. So if you've been feeling off, low energy, or out of sync, try simplifying. Focus on how you want to feel, and build your life around that feeling, one habit at a time. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest human health content every week. Your health isn't a project, it's your foundation. And it's worth investing in, gently, daily, and with love.